have had a total struggle trying to find the elevator button. We're trying to learn how to use the elevators independently. So this has no panel, it has nothing standard for us to find. So we've been searching and searching, but we have now found it. And next we're going to try to figure out how to do the accessibility mode inside the elevator.
This panel serving for floors. Deck 2. Deck 17.
So 2 to 17, then you have to wait.
Deck 2.
Deck 2
Deck 8.
to deck 8, so don't do anything. Deck 9,
Deck 7.
and then I'm pushing that.
Select deck by pressing again.
Okay, 9. There, and I want 9, so I press 9.
Deck 9.
And that's where we're going.
Yes,
Yay!
exactly. Oh, wow.
I figured it out.
Oh,